Well, the welder's here and it's not looking good. It's raining. We hope it's gonna clear up. It should clear up by 9-ish o'clock. It's 8:30.
Day 1. T-minus 1 day from departure, supposedly. Just put 2 big holes in the boat, and these are the mock-ups.
This is all we're gonna get for the arch?
This is the whole arch. It's all done.
All done.
It's all done. There it is.
A little bit.
The arch is going up. Oh my god.
Shut up. Go my way. Alright, let me get on the boat. Don't move. Alright, what we gotta do. This side.
It's all done. Those are your lines, dear. How'd we do?
Looks cool. The sun reflecting in our arch. Quality control.
I'm looking at the finished welds, yeah.
I like this angle and it matches kind of like the handles. So.
Most people wouldn't have even gone through here. Most people would have probably just said stop it here and through bolted.
So we requested this.
I specifically requested that we drop it through and put it on the blocks. I made more work for us because it's a stronger design. And then your integrated shower, we got to figure out how to do that.
No.
We got to figure out how to get the integrated shower in there.
Let me just start coming out.
Yeah, they're all.
So the top is all secured too?
No, nothing is secured right now.
Top is not secured.
These are going to get back bolted, through bolted. He's just got things tacked on. Alright, what time is it?
4 o'clock.
Alright, I'm going to run to the office and grab our packages.
Okay.
They're going to get mad at me.
Okay. I'm going on a bike ride.
Have you been on a bike before?
Don't start recording.
Oh, I got you.
No.
Keep your hands on the brakes, dear. All the time. All the time.
Like
when you're on the bike, you ride like this. Fingers on the brakes.
I didn't have front brakes before.
Hand on the brake. This is front brake, front shifter, rear brake, rear shifter.
Shifter? What shifter does?
You got gears. Do you know what kind of bike you bought?
No.
Don't go too fast. I see you. Well, I told you to put real shoes on, first of all. I don't know what gear you're in. You told me you were comfortable on a bike.
I'm on neutral here.
There is no neutral. It's a bike.
I think it's a ray.
Is it the Ray?
I think it's a ray. It's a ray. It is a ray. It's jumping right inside the dock.
Start from the top. There you had it. You had it. Do you want to go in the parking lot as opposed to the sidewalk?
Yeah.
You don't hurt yourself.
Yeah.
There she goes.
Well, we have welders on the site today again, and hopefully our solar panels will go out, will be put up. That's the day.
The last thing to do will be to put the panels up once everything's bolted and clean.
You excited?
But you should be able to slide that under this. Then once we get... Pick it up a little more. Alright, hold on. And then we need to put more, you know...
We landed. That's dead center.
Look at that. And I've also got, where the black bag is, I've also got more nuts and washers and stuff.
Oh, that one's wobbly.
That's gonna be...
It's made, it's got a rounded end on it, so that you can go around the corner.
Yeah, not like on our fully articulated head, but partially.
Nope, that washer fell right off.
Okay. Yeah, we gotta
Okay,
find out.
we got more.
There we go.
How many knots we gotta get through?
That's the last one, I think, on this side.
Yeah, we'll have to find
They're
all
in
the
here somewhere.
missing debris down there.
Oh, you got it all in your hair, bud.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm aware. Alright, where's everything that I dropped? Alright.
All right. Put this end aft.
Okay.
This plug. This is the bigger plug.
Okay.
And that way they'll at least be the same for me.
It's warm out here.
You know?
All right.
You go first.
Yeah, you come right here and
All in the holes. That's good.
see if
Your holes are lined up though. This is where you want to be. Dead center. You gotta bring the bolt to the center line a little bit. Yep. Washer.
Sip, sip, sip. All done?
Down to the end.
Down to the end. How did we do over there?
Pads are in. Cables are not in on this side. No cables on this side yet.
Oh, look. They're so big.
That's how you do a project.
2 days.
2 days. 6 months of pain and preparation. 2 days.
2 days.
It's all made manifest.